Are you looking for the best robot vacuum to keep your home spotless with minimal effort? In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best robot vacuums of 2026. From powerful suction and intelligent navigation to fully automated cleaning stations, these robots are designed to make household cleaning easier than ever. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. DREAME L40 Ultra Gen 2 Robot Vacuum and Mop. The DREAME L40 Ultra Gen 2 is a premium robot vacuum and mop featuring powerful 25,000 PA suction, an extendable side brush and mop system, and an all-in-one self-maintenance dock. It can vacuum, mop, self-empty dust, wash mops, and recharge automatically. This robot vacuum is built for users who want a nearly hands-free cleaning experience. The extendable mop and side brush help clean corners and edges more effectively than many competitors. Its smart navigation system maps your home accurately and avoids obstacles with impressive precision. Pros: powerful 25,000 PA suction, extendable brush and mop for better edge cleaning, advanced smart navigation, fully automated self-cleaning dock, excellent vacuuming and mopping performance. If you're looking for one of the most advanced robot vacuums available in 2026, the DREAME L40 Ultra Gen 2 is an outstanding choice. Number 2. Roborock Q7 M5 Plus. The Roborock Q7 M5 Plus combines 10,000 PA suction with self-emptying technology that can hold debris for up to 7 to 9 weeks. It also features Precisense LiDAR navigation and a dual anti-tangle system designed for homes with pets. Roborock continues to deliver reliable navigation and strong cleaning performance. The anti-tangle brush system works exceptionally well with long hair and pet fur, reducing maintenance significantly. Pros: reliable LiDAR navigation, up to 7 to 9 weeks of self-emptying, excellent pet hair management, user-friendly app controls, efficient route planning. A great option for pet owners and anyone wanting dependable everyday cleaning. Number 3. DREAME D30 Ultra CE. The D30 Ultra CE offers 25,000 PA suction, automatic dust collection, self-washing mops, and intelligent obstacle avoidance technology. Its multifunctional base station takes care of most maintenance tasks automatically. The mop lifting feature helps keep carpets dry while still providing effective hard floor mopping. Pros: strong 25,000 PA suction, self-washing mop system, smart obstacle avoidance, carpet protection through mop lifting, automated maintenance dock. A well-rounded premium robot vacuum with impressive automation features. Number 4. DREAME L60 Ultra FE. The DREAME L60 Ultra FE delivers an incredible 30,000 PA suction along with automatic dust emptying, 100 degrees Celsius hot water mop cleaning, and advanced obstacle avoidance. This model is designed for users who want maximum cleaning power. Its tri-cut brush effectively minimizes hair tangles, making it particularly useful in homes with pets. Pros: industry-leading 30,000 PA suction, hot water mop cleaning, excellent corner cleaning, advanced obstacle detection, anti-tangle tri-cut brush, one of the most powerful and feature-rich robot vacuums currently available. Number 5. DREAME D20 Plus. The D20 Plus offers 13,000 PA suction, self-emptying technology, LDS laser navigation, and voice control support at a more affordable price. Despite being the most budget-friendly option on this list, it still delivers strong cleaning performance and convenient automation features. Pros: great value for money, strong 13,000 PA suction, self-emptying dock, accurate LDS mapping, voice and app control. An excellent choice for buyers looking for strong performance without spending flagship-level money. These are our top 5 best robot vacuums of 2026. Whether you're looking for ultimate automation, powerful suction, or budget-friendly performance, there's a robot vacuum here for every type of home. Check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching.